Alright guys, so I wanted to do a quick review on these cutting boards that I got off of Amazon. Just show the quality of them and everything I love about them. So first off, it does come in a 2-pack. So this is obviously the larger one and then the little bit of smaller one. So if you want to use them for different things. But the best thing that I love about them is they are actually made out of wood fiber. I am used to using plastic ones, so as you're cutting into it, your knife is going in and it's making these like dents in it, and it's just kind of gross to me. These are amazing. It's like stone material, but it actually is just that wood fiber material. So they are dishwasher safe, which I absolutely love, so it's easy to clean, but you're not going to get that like bacteria nasty smell out of them as you're using them. And they also are safe for your knives. So I know some of the other cutting boards, as you're cutting into it, it could dull out your knives, and this is not going to happen with these. Another thing I love these little handles that they have on both of them. So you can hold them on. If you're going to be cutting something a little heavy, you can hold it just like that. Or you can hang it up if you want to, if you're using it outside or just inside to dry, anything like that. They are really quick drying too. So you can just hang them up, and they are double-sided. So I actually like to label my cutting boards. You can use one side for meat, one side for vegetables, or whatever you want to do, but they are double-sided. Or even if you're just cutting something and this side gets dirty, just flip it over and then you have a nice clean side to use. Okay, and so just to demonstrate, just cutting a cucumber just like this. So, and normally as I'm cutting in my other cutting boards, there would be dents, and there is absolutely nothing. You can see as I just wipe the water away, there's nothing. It's so amazing. So overall, these cutting boards have been a life changer to me. I am just throwing my other ones away. Absolutely love them. Hope it helps anyone looking for them.